What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Yep, it is a desert vlog. Did I say vlog? I'm thinking of those bumpers already. It is a desert vlog. And, well, I guess there's nothing to do, but let's hook old Rammer up to the big ding ding and start pulling, because this will be the first time, guys, that I've pulled the trailer with the DPF bat kit. You feel me? So, well, let's, I guess, start her up and hook her up. Okay, so now it is, the distribution bars are on, all the weight's on it. It went down to, dropped an inch and a half, so it was at 42 and a half, it's at 41 now. So now we're gonna go to our application here, the Wireless One app, and I think at about 30 or 35, it puts this thing back at 42 and a half. So let's see, and I think I already did this, I pre-saved it, but I'm not sure. I think, oh, maybe 40 here, let's hit 40. Tap it. Okay, it's pumping. I don't know if you guys can hear the compressor. It's quiet, but right under there. All right, tow haul on, exhaust brake on. Oh man, I can't wait to hear that exhaust brake. Oh boy. Oh, I think I can get used to this. That's incredible. Like, there's nothing back there. Ooh, she's climbing, baby. We're climbing, guys. Man, I gotta say, this thing is freaking loud. This thing's pretty loud. You got a trailer behind it. But plenty of power, that's for sure. And it is in 4th gear right now with the torque converter locked. Boost at 23. We're at probably about 35% throttle, 40% throttle. She's loud. Alright guys, so one thing about this truck I've noticed, this thing, you know, this gear select, it really doesn't care what you say. It's gonna pick it itself, because it was in 6th gear going down the hill, and I hit the gear select, and you can see I had it in 5th. But when I tap the brake, and the reason I put it in 5th, because when it goes into 4th, it just stops me way too much, the exhaust brake. So I stuck it in 5th so it does not go past 5th, and sure enough, it just went to 4th. So the gear select, you know, I don't know, maybe it won't let you go any higher than this right now, but here, let's see. Actually, I'm going down a hill, so I'm going to tap the brake. Let's see if it stays in. Yeah, see? So it won't stay. It, pretty much doesn't care what he wants. Oh guys, we have arrived. I gotta say, this old Rammer girl pulled really good, but I am going to contact the tuning company, so there is some things that I kind of want to adjust if it's possible. I figure we have the capabilities, hopefully, of adjusting, but I don't know. I am going to contact them and see. There's a couple things that I like and I don't like, but if I can get them adjusted, then it would literally be perfect, but I don't even know if it's possible with any truck, so I will let you guys know. Stay tuned for that. Alright, good morning guys. It is now the next morning here at the desert. We got the Jeep running, and well, there's someone stuck over there, so I want to go try this winch and snatch block. This winch is only, I think, a 10,000 pound if I remember, so I don't know you know, how it's gonna work, but we do have the snatch block. So you got the snatch block? That's right. Michael's got the snatch block. All right, so we're gonna go try this thing out. All right, looks like they pulled the truck out. Hey buddy. Oh hey, how you doing there? I don't know why my dad's on a 90. Where'd the homeboy go? Oh. All right.
They got the truck out, not the trailer. We gotta try something. I don't know what to try. We're gonna try to hook it.
All right guys, so what he's gonna do now is hook back up, and well, we're just gonna hook up the winch. We got the snatch block here, so we're gonna try this out. We got the towel, a couple of these to put on the cable, just for safety purposes, and well, I don't know, we'll see what happens. It'll be the first time we use the winch. I personally don't think the winch is gonna work, because that setup is way too heavy for this setup. Obviously this Jeep is, so it's probably gonna pull it. So if that's the case, then we're probably just gonna hook it up, and maybe I will see if I can drag him slowly just so he can get out of all this soft stuff right here. Where I'm at, it's kind of hard. It's not really, really hard, but it's a little soft, but not like that. It's really bad over there.
Eddie, the Jeep's moving. It's right here, it's on the ground. You're good. Stop.
Yo. Get out of here. We're gonna go see him right now. We're just gonna watch, look at him. He got stuck. Holy moly. Turn the wheel the other way. Look at him. What the hell is he doing? Alright guys, sun's going down. That means time to go to the drags. I was going to drive the Jeep, but she's not allowing me to drive the Jeep. So it looks like I'm sitting past her. Excuse me, ma'am. I'm supposed to drive?
Girls only, babe.
Okay. There goes the alkylator. I think a Can-Am's gonna win for sure. Holy moly, look at this one. Trump! Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Trump one was pretty fast, whatever that guy's got in it. Alright, here they go. Wow, alkylator smoked them. Smoked them. So, sir, how did that wind feel? How did that wind feel? I don't know what happened to him. I don't know if he didn't shift or what. What, did you miss a gear or something, man? Did you miss a gear or what? He beat you by like 48 cars. Uh oh, he's pissed, guys. He's pissed. Let's see what he says. So, guarantee it's either going to be about the people that's in it or something's wrong with it.
Let's do a second gear roll. So we don't watch.
Okay.
No. Second wheel?
Second gear roll. So just roll.
You roll side by side, get up.
Yeah, but I think even if you punch,
fucking hit it.
I think even if he punched, he was like 40 cars ahead of you. Like, he was like gone.
Yeah, because did you see the way he took off?
You guys are pretty much even. I mean, we can go back to the footage and see, but I mean, he kept going. This thing was like flying. Yeah, it was a stop.
I got fourth gear.
Yeah,
I got fourth gear at the bottom.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Maybe we'll do some retuning on that thing or something. Ooh, alkylator came prepared with the wood. Look at the alkylator. Oh, he's backing up. He's backing up over here. Go ahead, alkylator, you're clear. Your truck sounds funny, man. I don't know. It's got some black on the tip.
It's congested.
Congested? Oh, we gotta take this to the dealer. Something's wrong with this Ford. Excuse me, sir. I noticed you're missing a belt over there, alkylator. Oh, there it is. Your necklace? Wow, there you go. So, guys, alkylator never fails. Blew the belt off. Okay, so we got the alkylator again up there, broken. Another belt. This guy, what's up with him and belts? I don't know. So they're trying to turn it around and bring him down the hill. So we're down here and he's up there. And well, we'll see what happens. That's the face right there of a man that breaks everything. everything. Marissa, say hi to the vlog. Hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Alright guys, so the camera girl now. I gotta introduce you.
I'm Eddie's wife.
And we're here now at the drags. Day 2 at Gordon's. Not much going on, but you know, we're just here relaxing. That's about it. We got Michael, Big Meech, hello, Alcalator over there. That's about it.
Making business.
That's it. We're good to go.
This is Eddie's wife's mother-in-law.
Wife's mother.
In-law.
Oh, I thought you said Eddie's wife's mother-in-law. I'm like, what?
Eddie's wife's mother-in-law. Alright, that didn't go over that well.
We got a Raptor over here just buried to the frame. I told my wife, get the Jeep. I don't know if she is getting the Jeep, but I think a Razor's gonna pull it out right now. You guys can see it right here. Let me zoom in for you. This Raptor I thought Raptors are 4-wheel drive. Apparently not. Or maybe they have some that are 4-wheel drive and some aren't. That's a bad beat right there, my friend. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I want to see what this Razor can do. It's gonna be good.
I don't think it's a Raptor. I think it's a Raptor replica.
No, that's a Raptor.
Why is he putting it in 4-wheel drive then?
Maybe not all Raptors have 4-wheel drive.
I'm pretty sure they're all 4-wheel drive.
Maybe his 4-wheel drive's broken. Is it a 900 too?
Yeah.
That's what I thought. Stop, stop. Oh.
That's the funniest thing I've ever seen.
No, he should be able to get out. He just needs to give it a little more of a tug. They kind of both took off at separate times.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
For sure.
Okay, go tell my wife get the Jeep. Tell her hurry up. Go tell her, go. Oh, there she is. Go get the Jeep. Come on. Oh, you need 4-wheel
I
drive?
need someone to hook up to me and pull my car
Okay.
and this one.
My wife brings the Jeep. You can't back up? I'm stuck.
Let's pick it up.
This is not a 4x4 though, Eddie.
So I guess it's not engaged. We found out it's 4-wheel drive, but it's not engaging in 4-wheel drive right now.
Okay, okay.
Good. Eddie, don't break your car, bro.
Hey, Eddie doesn't break cars.
Yes, he does.
He makes you spend more.
Ready?
All right, we're ready. And she's out. Just one time. Oh, let him go down, let him go down. Keep going down. He was hanging off of this for a second. Oh, what's up, guys? We're back to the piece of shit Razor.
Pop it.
What's all that blow?
Hi, Eddie's wife's mother-in-law. Hi, Eddie's wife. What are we doing?
We are getting ready to pull this GMC out.
GMC. Oh shoot. Pulling out the GMC with the Rubicon. Oh. That easy. Done. Nice, guys.
I think you can probably reverse down, right? Yeah, here, let me untie you. Alright, he said keep pulling, I guess we can still not. Give me a break, man.
Had to go all the way down. That's my pretty girl over there.
What the hell is this, man? What is this? What the f As if this isn't the ghettoest projection setup I've ever seen in my life right here, man. In my life. If this is not the ghettoest one.
So I'm using my bed sheet.
What, is this a bed sheet on the Ford? Everything's gonna break down now. This projector's about to go out.
Hey, it's not only a truck that gets me out here, but I get my screen projector.
Wow. Is this 4K?
Yeah, does your fucking Dodge do that?
I don't have a Dodge. I got a Ram.
Oh, shit.
This is what they do, guys, here in the desert.
Rondo against Thompson.
Oh, Lakers versus Golden State.
And LeBron with the basket, the assist by Rondo.
Well, there you have it, guys. Trucks are back in the garage, or truck is back in the garage. This never left. This just stayed here. This thing, man, also, when I was driving, I don't know what happened. I hit like a swarm of bugs. It's driving me nuts. So, tomorrow morning, we're going to pull this thing out. Hopefully install the new tunes. Yes, I said new tunes. But that's all I got for you guys. If you guys enjoyed the desert vlog, hit that like button. Don't forget, we got more desert vlogs coming very, very soon. But thank you guys for watching. Peace.
Yeah.